Hello, Internet friends. My name is Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions, and I want to bring you a quick tip in using layers in Chief Architect. I'm using Chief Architect Premier X16, but this goes back to quite a number of versions. I have created these text callouts that are linked to my layout page. Now, linking only goes back to 14 or 15. X14 or X15, but that's not really the tip that I want to share with you today. This is whether you have them manually entered or linked. I want to show you this. I have a layer. What I want to do is I want to copy these callouts and arrows to the foundation level. So I have a layer set called all layers off, and a layer set called all layers on. For that purpose, I really use this more just for demonstration, so that it's fun to kind of show what happens when all the layers are turned on. But all layers off is the one I want now. And then I'm going to go into my layer settings here and look for that text callouts layer. The reason I have this all layers off is I can just quickly find and isolate one layer that maybe I'm looking for. And I want to copy all of these. And I will do so by just dragging across there. Control C, go down to my foundation layer and Control-Alt-V. If you're on a Mac, that's Command-C and Command-Option-V to paste hold position. Control-Alt-V on a PC, Command-Option-V on a Mac does your paste hold position command. Now I just need to go back to my saved plan layers, framing roof plan view, and click on that again. And now we're back to the layer set for this saved plan view, and all is well with the world again. When I switch to my reference existing plan, which is my CD plan set, layer set, there they are. I can do the same with, say, the roof plan set. I guess I need to turn that on for the roof plan set. There they are. And we're all set. I hope this tip is helpful. If you like this, click like and subscribe. And let me know what you think. If you have any other thoughts, I always enjoy your comments. Take care. Have a wonderful day.